Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. Today's video is about transformation, rotation and enlargement. A point A, 1, -2 is mapped onto A prime under rotation through 180 degrees about center 2, 3. A double prime is the image of A prime under an enlargement with center 1, -1 and scale factor 3. Find Roman 1, the coordinates of A prime, Roman 2, the coordinates of A double prime. Beginning with Roman 1, find the coordinates of A prime. First, I want us to note given rotation about a point, say M, N, and that is through 180 degrees. A general point, say P, whose coordinates are XY, that is under the same transformation, will be mapped onto its image, P prime. So what is important here is how we determine the coordinates of the image. We take twice the X coordinate for the center of rotation, that is twice M, less the X coordinate for the point to be rotated, and that is X. So this should give us the X coordinate for the image point. And then for the Y coordinate, we'll take twice the Y coordinate for the center of rotation, that is twice N, less the Y coordinate for the point being rotated, that is Y. So I want us to apply this to this question. Remember, we are told that the point A is mapped onto its image A prime under rotation through 180 degrees about center 2, 3. So for our case, we are given the center as 2, 3. The transformation is similar to what we've described here. So the center is 2, 3. That takes up the place of MN. And the point we're supposed to rotate is point A. And we're given the coordinates as 1, -2. This will be mapped onto its image A prime. Now applying this part, we'll have twice the X coordinate for the center, which is 2, less the X coordinate for the point being rotated, 1. And then for the Y coordinate, we'll have twice 3. That is twice the Y coordinate for the center, less the Y coordinate for the point being rotated, which is -2, sorry. So minus -2, we have plus 2. So this simplifies as A prime becomes 4 - 1, that is 3, and here 6 + 2, 8. And thus we have the coordinates of A prime as had been required. So next we have to determine the coordinates of A double prime. So let's look at the question again. We are told A double prime is the image of A prime under an enlargement with center 1, -1 and scale factor 3. We will recall that if you are given a positive enlargement scale factor, then the object and the image will always be on the same side of the center of enlargement. So if we may sketch that, if we have the center of enlargement here, the center is 1, -1. We had been told with the center 1, negative 1. Then A prime will be here. Remember, A double prime is now the image of A prime. A prime has now become the object, so A prime is 3, 8. And therefore we have its image A double prime here, whose coordinates we do not know. We'll have to recall again that enlargement scale factor is the ratio of image distance, that is from the center of enlargement, to object distance, again from the center of enlargement. For our case, we are told enlargement scale factor is 3. So we'll have to equate that to the ratio of the image distance to the object distance. And this is what we're going to do. Remember, our aim is to get the values of x and y. So we're going to deal with the y coordinates independently as we determine the value of y, and the x coordinates independently as we determine the value of x. Beginning with y, we'll have image distance, that is y minus negative 1. So you take the y coordinate for the image less y coordinate for the center of enlargement. So we have y minus negative 1, and that is y plus 1 over object distance 8 minus negative 1, and that is 8 plus 1. So for the sake of cross multiplication, we can have this over 1, and therefore we'll have 3 times this part. This is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And that should be equal to 1 times y plus 1. That is y plus 1. When 1 comes to this side, we subtract, and therefore y becomes 26. Applying the same to the x coordinates, we'll say image distance x minus 1 over object distance 3 minus 1 should be equal to the enlargement scale factor, which is 3. For the sake of cross multiplication, again we have it over 1, and then cross multiplying, we'll say 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1. That should be equal to 3 times 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 times 3, that is 6. When negative 1 crosses, we'll have to add. Therefore, x becomes 7. And therefore, we have the x coordinate as 7 and the y coordinate as 26. And therefore, the point A double prime is 7, 26. And thus, we have the coordinates of A double prime as had been required in the question. With that, we come to the end. Thank you for watching.